Now we're about ready to finish and test the main view. In fact, we should probably figure out whether any of the code we've written so far will actually work. So let's try it. Although Xcode is continually saving what we do, it doesn't hurt to actually do a save. And that guarantees that what we've typed in will be there when we open the file again. Let's just see what happens if we build and run right now. We've selected as our scheme the iPhone 3 simulator, and we hit the build and then run the current scheme button. First, it builds My World, as you can see in the status bar, and then it launches the simulator, and then it launches the app. There's our wonderfully purple background. There's our Peace on Earth animation, and there's our test advertisement. Let's click on the advertisement. Test advertisement. This confirms that the test ads are running correctly. This is great. The ad banner actually works, and we have just tested it. We can click the circled X in the upper left corner to go back to our app. So this is great. We have a fantastic iAd banner, which actually disappears after you've seen it, and we have a wonderful little animation flowing as if it was a waterfall. Let's quit the app. We see that we have My World as a sample app in the simulator. Click it again, which simulates a tap, and we're back in business. Only because we've just seen the ad, we don't see it again. So if we actually stop, reset, we could wait 30 seconds, but rather than do that, we'll just reset. We'll close the iOS simulator, and we'll run it again. And here you see our Peace on Earth. But you notice that the ad did not appear. So let's try it again. Close, tap to open. There it is. So I guess you really have to wait 30 seconds. It's pretty good about that. We click the test advertisement and it is working. Now we really want to get a better background into this. So let's quit the app by clicking down here in the home button in the simulator. And then let's reset the simulator again so that the app and its data disappear, and then quit the simulator. Now to get our background, let's jump over to our sample app, Hello World. As you recall, it has a very nice background view of the Earth. Let's open up the dock again in Interface Builder for Hello World. First thing we're going to do is find the background image. We've selected it here in the Interface Builder. And if we look at its attributes, we see that the image is called background.png. Well, that's fairly obvious. And here it is in our project navigator, background.png. So we can move this project over, and we can simply drag background.png into our new project. In fact, we're going to put it into right here, supporting files. We let go, and Xcode gives us options for how to add the file. What we want to do is copy the file into the destination groups folder. So we want a copy of the background.png file copied into our project. We don't need to worry about these options. We're not creating a group or copying more than one file. But we are adding it to the target My World. That's an important option to make sure is selected. And then we can click Finish. So now that we've copied over the background image file, which we added to our project, we're ready to try and use it as an image view. First, we select Main View to see the main view in our Interface Builder. Now, let's open the dock to take a good look here. What we have in our main view is, of course, our button down here selected. So let's select Main View. And what we want to do is bring in a new image. So we go to Data Views in the library over here on the right, and we drag down until we find an image view. Now, an image view displays a single image, and that's really what we need. So we can click Done for the help message. And what we want to do, since we've selected view, we can close this to give us a little more room to see what we're doing, and drag image view into place. Resize it as we need. There's our image view, exactly where we want it. Let's open the dock again, and we see that the image view is obscuring the button. So what we do is we'll drag image view up, and now the button is visible on top of our image view. Now we select image view, we go to the attributes pane, and we assign it to background.png. Now we have our background view. Now that we've dragged an image view into place and assigned it to background.png, let's run it and see if it works. It loads in the simulator, just like before, displays a wonderful image and the test advertisement as well as the animation. So we now have an excellent animated waterfall piece on Earth with an advertisement that works, which disappears after 30 seconds. Now there's a lot more work to be done. For example, there's nothing on the flip side view. We wanted to add things here, some controls, so that users can change the text and the speed, and even save those user preferences. But for now, let's click the Done button. And as you can see, the ad has gone away because it's over 30 seconds. And we have our wonderful Peace on Earth text string falling image view appearing on top of the new background image. Now remember, it's always good when you're done testing to quit the app here by clicking the Home button, resetting the iOS simulator by using Reset Contents and Settings, and clicking Reset. Then we're back in My World with the debug screen down here, which we can close by clicking here, and we can see the full interface builder again.